we've got Northern Lights in London. Tonight we've come to see the London Northern Lights happening in Greenwich, and we're standing in the massive queue of people who do not have tickets, because if you did, you would have gone straight in.
Really?
Yeah, unfortunately so.
Tickets.
You've got tickets, go straight in, yes. Go, no problem. There you go, serving the community here.
We're about 20 minutes away. There will be people going ahead of you who've already got tickets.
Yeah, so these people just gone in, and I have to tell you, I've seen these type of fake Northern Lights once in Tower Bridge next to Tower of London, and unfortunately it was quite windy and the effect just didn't look any good. So I'm kind of hoping that today this wind isn't as strong and it will look pretty cool.
I think the fog got into my eye.
Did it? It's not fog, it's dry ice. There's low wind and they look pretty impressive, especially set against the backdrop of Canary Wharf there. It actually looks cool. I am like really chuffed to actually be here and see this because it looks amazing. It's quite a cool effect. It's made by the artist called Tom Archer, and it's part of the Greenwich and Docklands festival, and it's one of these closing events, and this is actually the last night of the Borealis installation here in the Greenwich Naval College. So the whole effect is made by using dry ice being pumped into the air. Thankfully there's not that much wind, so it's not really pushing away that dry ice. And then there's layers of different colors that are kind of making it look like the Aurora Borealis. I got the second Z6 out, the Mark 1, put the 12mm 2.8 and decided to shoot some time lapses at 1 second interval as well as at half a second interval, just to see how it moves. It's quite a fast moving subject, so I don't really know how well it will actually work in time lapse, but you gotta give it a try, right? So I've tried half-second time lapses, 1 second interval time lapses, and then I took a couple of long exposure photos. They don't look really cool. So the last one that I'm trying now is 2.5 seconds shutter, 3 second interval, just to have like a real mush, smoothed effect of the northern lights of this Borealis installation and see what that time-lapse will turn out like. I think the time-lapses came out pretty sweet. Even the fast one was a cool effect due to the much longer exposures. But anyway, while I was there, something struck me. A question: what is good art? Standing there amongst hundreds of people who were sitting, chilling, enjoying the show for a prolonged period of time, you could say it's how you could judge cool art by. No one asks them to watch it for this long, but they choose to. Unlike Instagram, where posts don't even get a second of screen time, it's all a double tap and scroll. This was something that many decided to spend an evening and enjoy, like a good movie or even a long YouTube video. That's what I think makes great art. In that case, Borealis was great art. Well done, Dan Archer. We're ending on the Northern Lights here in Greenwich, and as far as I know, it's going to be happening next week in Woolwich. So if you get a chance, visit that one because it's a spectacular event, and I wish you no wind for that, because if there's too windy, it doesn't look that great. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like such light shows, fireworks, 3D projections, or any other kind of cool visual art installations, check out this playlist of just such videos I did from London or other places I've visited specifically to attend such visual treats. Yeah, I'm a bit of a fan for all things light shows, and that playlist is exactly all about that.